Best bypass pruning shears. The demand for high-quality pruning shears has surged as more homeowners, gardeners, and landscapers embrace the joy of maintaining healthy plants. Bypass pruning shears are especially popular because they provide clean, precise cuts, reducing plant damage and encouraging growth. Whether you're trimming shrubs, trees, or flowers, choosing the right pair involves evaluating blade sharpness, build quality, ergonomic design, and overall value. Below, we review 5 of the best bypass pruning shears available today.
List number 1. Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears 5/8" Cut Capacity Garden Clippers. The Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears are a reliable and affordable option for gardeners of all skill levels. Designed to handle stems and branches up to 5/8" thick, these shears feature precision-ground, hardened steel blades that stay sharp through heavy use. The non-stick blade coating ensures smooth cuts and prevents sap buildup, while the easy grip handle reduces hand fatigue. Lightweight and compact, they are ideal for everyday pruning of roses, shrubs, and perennials. The self-cleaning sap groove adds convenience, keeping the blades from sticking during repetitive cuts. While not intended for very thick branches, these shears excel at regular garden maintenance. For budget-conscious gardeners seeking durability and ease of use, Fiskars delivers an impressive balance of quality and affordability with this model.
List number 2. Felco F2 Pruning Shears 9.25" Swiss-made garden clippers. The Felco F2 pruning shears are considered a gold standard in professional-grade gardening tools. Made in Switzerland, they feature hardened steel blades and a forged aluminum handle, offering unmatched durability and precision. With an ergonomic design, cushioned shock absorbers, and non-slip grips, these shears minimize strain during prolonged use, making them ideal for landscapers and serious gardeners. The adjustable cutting mechanism allows for cleaner, more precise cuts on branches up to 1 inch thick, ensuring plant health. Felco's hallmark feature is its replaceable part system. Users can swap out blades, springs, or grips instead of replacing the entire tool, giving these shears exceptional longevity. For those who demand the very best in comfort, sharpness, and reliability, the Felco F2 remains a top-tier choice. List number 3. Fiskars 28" Loppers for tree trimming. For tackling thicker branches and small limbs, the Fiskars 28" loppers provide extra leverage and cutting power. These heavy-duty bypass loppers feature precision-hardened steel blades that cut cleanly through live branches up to 1.5 inches thick. The rust-resistant coating enhances longevity while reducing friction, ensuring smooth operation even with dense wood. At 28 inches long, they give gardeners the reach needed for higher branches without requiring a ladder. The cushioned grips and shock-absorbing bumpers improve comfort during prolonged trimming sessions, minimizing hand and arm fatigue. While bulkier than handheld pruners, these loppers are perfect for pruning trees, fruit plants, and larger shrubs. Affordable and dependable, they are a must-have companion to smaller bypass shears for those managing bigger garden projects. If you need more power than a handheld pruner can offer, Fiskars 28" loppers are a robust and efficient solution. List number 4. Gonic 8" Professional Premium Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears GPPS 1003. The Gonic GPPS 1003 pruning shears strike an excellent balance between affordability and premium build quality. With an 8" design, they are crafted from ultra-fine polishing technology and feature titanium-coated blades for rust resistance and long-lasting sharpness. The ergonomic non-slip handles combined with cushioned shock absorbers provide comfort for extended use, reducing strain on hands and wrists. Suitable for branches up to 3/4 inch thick, these shears offer a smooth cutting experience, making them ideal for flowers, shrubs, and small fruit trees.
One standout feature is their safety lock mechanism, which keeps the blades closed when not in use for secure storage. While not as heavy-duty as professional-grade models like the Felco F2, they deliver excellent performance for everyday gardeners. For those looking for high-quality shears with premium touches at a mid-range price point, the Gonic GPPS 1003 is a reliable choice.
List number 5. 8.5-inch pruning shears for gardening. The 8.5-inch pruning shears for gardening provide an excellent all-around solution for home gardeners seeking reliability at a budget-friendly price. With carbon steel blades designed to stay sharp, they deliver clean, precise cuts that help maintain plant health. Their ergonomic handle design offers a comfortable grip, while the built-in safety lock provides added protection during storage and transport. At 8.5 inches, they strike a balance between power and maneuverability, suitable for trimming flowers, vegetables, and small branches up to 3/4 inch in diameter. Lightweight, yet durable, these shears are a great choice for beginners or casual gardeners who want dependable performance without overspending. While they may not have the replaceable parts or high-end finishes of premium models, they offer solid value for everyday garden care. For those who want a straightforward, no-fuss pair of pruning shears, this option delivers.